One word is often used to describe Škoda's design language: crystalline, with its sharp lines and dynamic shapes. At home in Prague, you can see its influence in the architecture. There are also crystal forms in art and crystal shapes in product design. We never lose sight of who we design for, finding inventive ways to combine simple functionality with more emotional design. Every detail of a car is responsible for the overall impression of the figure. The front, what we call the power dome, proudly framing our logo, the winged arrow. The shoulder line, clear, precise, like an arrow ready to be loosed. And the C-shaped taillights giving the rear a distinctive, powerful look. A new Škoda may seem radical, but it is the son of its father. We always consider the dreams of our customers, asking what do people really want. You have to give the car a soul. Everything needs a soul. At Škoda, we always keep moving. And we don't just build what was designed. Otherwise, we miss the chance to make it better.
Škoda. Simply clever.